Hey, hi everyone. This is Santosh. Welcome back to another video in the series of how we can make our own Slack app. In this video, we are going to see how we can update our reminders. In the previous video, as we have seen that we can get all the reminders, right? So without wasting any time, let's just go back to the slash commands. So here are the slash commands that we have right now, and we are going to add a new command which looks like remind me. I want to update it, so it would look like this. Let me just go back to my ngrok server and copy my URL, and this it would look something like this, right? I'm going to copy this URL, paste it right over here. It just updates a reminder and usage hint, how it's gonna look, right? So it is going to have the same formatting, uh, just like we have for the adding, like it just going to have another extra parameter that would be the reminder id, right? So reminder id, then goes your reminder text, and at the last it holds the date time, right? Let me just update the format. The date time should look like this, right? Here goes the reminder text, and that's it, right? I'm gonna save this. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna refresh my remindful app, and let's get back to our controller function. So this is going to be our function, and if you just see, I have taken the command text and I have sent it in a function called parse update reminder command. What this function does is basically it gets the command, splits all the three parts. If we just see here, our whole text is divided into three different parts. The first one is the id of the reminders, the second part is the text, and the third part is the new updated time, right? So I have done the same. I have just split this text into three different parts. The first part is going to be the reminder id, then the reminder text, and the third one is going to the reminder string, right? Again, I have just converted this reminder string into our epoch time, right? Now what I have also done is I have just added a command, like I have just added a condition where if reminder text is not present, then if the reminder text is present, only then it will be updating our uh, update inside the update object, right? I'm making this update object so that I can directly pass it into the MongoDB find params, right? So let's go back to the function. So here I'm getting the reminder id and the update object, right? I'm going to use this function called find by id and update, because we already have the update id of the reminder and we have the update object. Again, I'm calling this function on my model, and this is how it returns. If the reminder is not updated, it will just say reminder not found, and reminder got updated successfully if it gets updated, and then the error message like this, right? So let me just run my function npm run dev, right? And I'm going to update my function. Let me just see. Is my id 61a. 61a is this, 61a is this. I'm just gonna hit copy this command. Let me just hit enter. Oh, dispatch failed, something went wrong. Okay, so the credentials were a bit wrong. Let me just update this again. I should be able to get this reminder updated successfully. So you can let's just play with emojis as well. I'm going to add a tick, like the green tick that we get now. Okay, so this says completed. I'm gonna add this white check mark. Okay, so whenever our reminder gets updated, I'm gonna just add reminder successfully updated white check mark, right? let's just go here, paste it again. Before that let's just run our view command. Before that we have to update the calling function. Our function was callback URL was this. Save this, let's go back here, reminder view pending, start this command, and I want to view all the pending reminders, right? So you can see my reminder 2 has got just updated, and the reminder is here is my new updated reminder, and it got scheduled at this particular time, right? This is so nice to see. Let's just update this. Oh my god, let's just update this again. We should see a very nice little symbol that will make our command a bit more interactive. Here's my updated reminder 2, right? Make it 6 o'clock, hit enter, and you can just say reminder updated successfully with a tick mark, right? So this is how you can update your reminders. Let's just make another command that will just delete our reminders, like remind me, and then we will go like something delete. We are going to copy this request URL, paste it right over here, deletes a reminder, usage head. We just need to add the reminder ID, right? We just need a reminder ID, and that's it. We are going to use that ID to delete our reminder, right? We have added this. Go to the about section, we cannot see. Refresh this, and let's go back to our code base and add our delete command over here. I'm gonna copy this, paste it here, and we'll just write delete, and we are going to update our function called delete reminder. Let me just save this. So inside this function, let me just show you, it's a very easy. It's one of the smallest function that we have. So it's gonna acknowledge our request, and directly it goes to the reminder model and delete one. We have just provided the ID, and then it will just return back, right? So this is like this. Once this is done, we can see remind me delete, start this command. Let's delete our second reminder itself. Make sure your ID is not in bolds, because it just sends the encoded messages, right? Because bold something looks something like this, right? So it sends the stars as well. So we are going to copy this, send this, right? Reminder deleted successfully. So if we just go back to our database, refresh this, our second reminder has just got deleted, right? So yeah, so this was all the 3 different CRUD operations we have seen in this video. In the whole series, that we have added the reminders, we have updated the reminders, we can view the reminders, and finally we have seen how we can delete the reminders, right? So in the next video, I'm going to create a function that will schedule all our reminders. It is going to get all the pending reminders, and once the time hits, it is going to notify us, right? So till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.